How I get tons of tomatoes on my tomato plants. I share you my secret and some steps that you can follow and get lots of tomatoes on your tomato plants. Not only do you save money by growing tomatoes at home, but you can get the reward of plucking perfectly ripe fruits from the vine. First step is find a sunny spot. Tomato plants thrive in 6 to 8 hours of daily sunshine. Containers can be moved throughout the growing season and a great choice for home gardeners who have limited garden space. Plant young seedlings deeply in nutrient rich soil. Fill containers with equal parts planting mix and potting soil. Combined together, the two provide an aerated medium density environment for roots to expand and access nutrients. Dig a hole enough to cover all but the top 3 to 4 inches of the seedlings. Water only as needed. A small way to tell if your plants need water is to stick your fingers into the soil. Provide support as the plant grows. In the tomato plants ramble along the ground, but when cultivated vertically in home gardens, they require physical support from stakes, trellis, or cages. Generally, they also need nutritional support in the form of fertilizer. So, these are the steps that I follow to get lots of abundant growth of tomatoes at home in pots.